Now we are going to learn to write capital R. What is the sound of R? R. Very good. Now the capital R stands on the blue line. Look, R, you begin from the red, go up and come down. All right? Something like P, but it will have a line. Now look, it begins from the top, come down. Yes, capital R. Look, we come down like this, go up again, R. Look, we from the top, you come down, go up again, R. All right? Look, this has to be correct. Touch the blue line. From the red line, come down, go up, R. R. Very good. From the top, come down, go up, make a loop, R. Next is capital letter S. What is the sound of S? Very good. You can make it stand on the three lines. You begin from the second blue line, goes right up. It goes right up and comes down. Look, from the third, below this blue line, go up, make a loop, come down. Go up, make a loop, that is S. From down here, go up, S. All right? From this blue line, go up, this is S. Next is letter T. What's the sound of T? Ta. The T again stands on the three line. We begin with this, like this, go up. This is capital letter T. Look, capital letter T. Next, we write after letter T, U. Again, it stands on the three line. U. You begin from here, go up, comes down. That is U. What's the sound of U? Good. U begin from the top, comes down, go up, and come down again. Look how carefully you write. U goes like this. You go up, come down, go up. This is letter U. Next is V. Letter V again stands on the three line sound. B. V. V, you got to begin to write with a straight line. Comes down. V. Letter V. Look, you begin down, up. That is letter V. Look. 1, 2, and 3. Third. 1, 2, and 3. Letter V. Next is W. Wow. Next is W. It goes like this, up and down, just like M reverse. Okay? W comes like this, goes right up, again up. All right? Goes W, comes right up, again up, up. Comes right down. This is W. What letter comes after W? After W comes X. What's the sound of X? X. When you think of X, what do you think of? X mystery. Now look, X, we begin from the red, comes down, and this is X. Look carefully. We begin like this, again comes like this, X. Look, from the red line comes right down to blue. This is X. From the red comes down. This is capital X. Next is Y. What's the sound of Y? Here. Letter Y, capital Y, we use all the four lines. We begin from the top, right down, go up. So all four lines we use in capital letter Y, right down, up and down. Okay? We begin like this, come right down, up. Again, right up, Y. Next is finally the last letter. What's the last letter? Z. What's the sound? Z. Again, letter Z, we use all the 4 lines. Now, we begin from the top and comes right down. All right? We begin from the top, you come down. Now, Z, we begin from the top and then it goes right down here. It goes like this, comes right down here. Look, Z. It goes right down to the red line and up. So now we have come to the last letter, Z. What did we learn today? We learned to write letter R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We have done all the big capital letters. Yes? And remember Y is Z. We'll Y and Z over here, we use all the 4 lines. The rest of the letters are standing on the blue line. Good.